Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change state in Dark War. In Dark War Survival, your state is essentially the server your character is on, and changing it lets you start fresh or explore a different environment. To switch states, tap your survivor profile in the top left corner of the screen, then go to your account options in the bottom right, next to settings. From there, select character management, where you can create a new character and choose the state you want to play in. Remember, each state has separate progress, so starting in a new state resets your character entirely, giving you a clean slate. This feature is perfect not only for experimenting with new strategies, but also for joining a state that better suits your playstyle or has a more active community. By managing multiple states wisely, you can maximize your gameplay experience and enjoy all aspects of Dark War Survival to the fullest. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.